Hey, what's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating this look using all products from ShoppMissA, the $1 makeup store online. So I am starting off with a fresh face. I'm just gonna wipe off my face using some toner and of course moisturize my lips, get them prepped and ready for lipstick. So I didn't buy any brow product, so I'm just gonna take the darkest shade from that eyeshadow palette that I got, and I'm gonna use that to fill in my brows. Surprisingly, it did a very good job in filling my brows. Look how well that is filled in. I'm not seeing any sparse areas, and I'm just using a brush to do the job. They are perfect. And then I got this concealer. I didn't like the consistency, so I chose to use this one from AOA. These are all $1 products, guys, and I use that one to clean up underneath my brow. And I'm taking this densely packed small brush to just blend it out. So for the top, I decided to go in with the first concealer that I showed you guys because it's closer to my skin tone. And then I'm just gonna use that same dense brush to just blend it out. So in order to get perfectly defined brows, I'm just gonna take this spoolie and I'm just gonna brush through my brows. And for the fade at the front, I just brush it in the opposite direction, and I also brush up to make sure the powder is fully diffused in my brows and I get that fade at the front that makes them look so special. Alright, so for this look, I'm gonna go with my eyes first, but I'm gonna prep my face so it will just hydrate my face so that when I'm ready to apply my foundation, it's all ready and prepped. So I found this moisturizer in this pouch. It's made of tamanu oil, and that's what I'm using to just hydrate my face. Starting with the eyes, I'm going in with that same concealer from AOA, and I'm gonna use it as the base for my eyeshadows. And just blend that out, and this banana powder is what I'm gonna use to set this concealer on my eyebrows. Starting with that darkest shade again, the same one I used for my brows, I'm gonna use it to carve out my crease. And I'm taking a small brush, a small pointed brush, so that I can get a precise placement of where I want my crease to be. So much for joining me today. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment after watching my video, and you're free to share my videos. Alright, I'm taking some purple now from that same palette, and I'm just using it to blend out that dark shade. And I'm using yet another small brush, but this one is not pointed, it's more it's a wider brush, so I can use it to blend it. And again, I'm gonna blend out the edges using the lighter shade of purple, so we can get that gradient that I'm looking for. By the way, the braids in my hair, I did that myself, and if you want to see how I did that, there's a video on my channel. I'll leave the link down below. So I'm taking this highlighter shade from this palette that I got for also $1, and I'm using it to highlight underneath my brow. So I learned this hack on TikTok, and I'm just using some petroleum jelly on a Q-tip, and I'm using that to cut my crease to remove the excess product. And I find this little hack so effective. I am always going to use this hack when I'm doing cut crease. I'm gonna apply the concealer to that space that I cut out with the petroleum jelly, and just get that to use it as a base for the lash shadow that I'll be applying on my lid. Okay. So I'm just gonna pat this light, very light lavender shade onto my lid. I could have wet my brush with some setting spray so I get a better payoff, but I'm okay with the look that I got from this just by itself. And to the edge, I'm just gonna use a purple shade to just darken the outer V. So I got this 2-in-1. It's a pencil and a liquid liner in one. I thought that was really cool, the concept of having 2-in-1, but I was so disappointed with the product, especially the liquid part. It was so drying. As you apply to your eyes, it got dry and it was so difficult to work with, so I do not recommend that product. And then I'm going in with this mascara from AOA. It's okay, and I use that to just apply to my lashes before I apply the lash. For primer, I got this no pore primer, and along with this primer spray, and I'm spraying that to my face. And for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the AOA foundation. To be honest, I did not like the applicator. It was messy and it wasn't getting out enough product. It took me a very long time to be dipping in and out to get enough product for my face. So I'm just gonna take a regular flat top foundation brush and I'm just gonna spritz it with some setting spray before applying my foundation. And I'm just using dabbing motions to apply to my face. And guys, let me tell you, I ordered this online and I luckily chose the perfect shade for my skin tone. I was really surprised with the quality of the foundation. I really liked it, but I had to apply some more to build it up for better coverage. So you can always build it up, or if you want it to be sheer, one layer would be fine. But for me, I wanted better coverage since I have a few blemishes that I wanted to cover. And again, I'm just blending that out with my foundation brush. So I also got this beauty blender from ShoppMissA. They are really soft. I would definitely recommend these. Their beauty blenders are always a hit for me. I really like the quality. They're inexpensive, but the quality is very good. So I just blended out the foundation, so I don't want to have any cakey look, and that works when I do it like that. And then I'm using the same concealer that I used to clean up my brow. I'm gonna use that same concealer to highlight. And going in with the same beauty blender to blend it out. If you haven't ever shopped with ShoppMissA before, it's a good place to get a lot of essentials for your makeup kit, especially if you're a makeup artist. I would definitely recommend getting their beauty blenders, and a lot of items are on there that you can use in your kit, and they're so inexpensive and they're good quality products. If you're a beginner at makeup, it would be perfect for you as well. So I'm taking my foundation brush and just blending out the edges of the areas that I highlighted. And for setting my highlighted areas, I'm using the banana powder. And what I'm I'm doing right here is I'm taking a tiny brush and I'm just patting in the powder into my T-zone. That way you get a flawless finish. And if you have enlarged pores, this will work to give you that flawless finish you're going for. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do it for all the areas that I highlighted. My contour, I'm using that same palette and I'm going in with that darkest shade to just carve out my cheekbones. If you notice, I didn't do any cream contouring. I'm just gonna do some light powder contouring. Another item that I would definitely recommend from ShoppMissA is their lashes. They have a wide variety of lashes. You can get them in packs of 10. You can buy single packs. You can get packs of 6. I would definitely recommend that you fill up your kit, or if you're practicing beginner, it's a perfect place to get your lashes to practice with. And using that same palette, I'm taking the one blush shade that's in there, and it's fine. It looks pretty good. It complements my skin tone well. And I'm gonna use that same palette for the highlighter. And guys, that was for $1, and I got it. I got several uses out of it. I got my contour, my blush, and my highlighting shade. Wasn't as popping as many would want it to be, but it's okay for me. I like a subtle highlight. To further set my face, I'm just going in with my same damp beauty blender, and I'm taking the same banana powder. I'm just gonna apply it over my entire face to set everything in place. So I got these two beautiful shades of matte lipsticks. I couldn't decide which one I was about to use, but then I chose the nudist one, and I really liked it. Bold eyes and subtle lips. I think I'll definitely head back to ShoppMissA and get some more of these lipsticks. I really like that nude shade. To finish up my eyes, I'm just going in with the purple to just to apply, smoke out the bottom of my eyes. And then I'm just going to take the same mascara I used on my lashes I used it on my bottom lashes as well, and then I just apply the setting spray. Oh, here we are. I missed this part. I'm just applying the mascara to my bottom lashes. I didn't want to do it before the setting spray so that it would run onto my face, so I applied my setting spray first. And here's the finished look, you guys. What do you think? My face is filled with all drugstore products. Everything that I used was bought on ShoppMissA.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. You're free to share my videos, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.